This video will demonstrate how to use the new Save Order Filter feature. This simple feature can help you optimize your label creation workflow by allowing you to save a filter. Filters are especially helpful when you have specific use cases that you want to work on. In this case, we will create a country-based filter where we're selecting all the orders that are addressed to the United States. The orders should be unfulfilled. You can now save this filter. When you need to use it again in the future, you can simply select this saved filter. Name the filter. Click Save and refresh the page. You can now see the saved filter on the drop-down list. When selecting the saved filter, you see that the order screen is automatically updated. You can now select those filtered orders and start creating shipping labels in bulk. And that is the new Save Order Filter feature.